Chris, I've been talking to my bank about getting a mortgage. Should I use a bank or a lender?
That's a really good question, Alex. There's actually three different categories of who will do mortgages. One of them is a bank, like the bank that you're banking with right now. One of them is a private mortgage banker, like I am. That's all I do is mortgages. And then another one is a broker. And a broker, what they do is they outsource everything and they don't control the process. So it matters what's important to you. Ultimately, there's three things in lending, and in business, really. It's what's the cheapest, what's the best service, and what's the fastest. So it might depend on what's important to you with that. Ultimately, we believe here that, hey, rate is super important, monthly payment super important. I want to be high service, and I want to make sure that we're putting you in the right loan program because, at a bank is going to focus way more on six different pillars of the business. They might focus on CDs or they might focus on different things. So sometimes they fluctuate in their competitiveness and their desire to go get business. So I'm finding a lot of times banks are actually, turning away people and sending business my way because, for instance, they don't really like investors right now. So they used to go to a bank. The bank really liked mortgages. They don't like mortgages anymore. They can't cash flow in a property. So they might need 50% down to make it work here. And they come over here with me and it's 20% down. So it really depends on what's important to you.
Gotcha.